up, guys? On my way to Chula Vista, California. Gonna see a man about a Truckmount. Going ahead and getting a new Truckmount for the new year. I know it's gonna be busy. Every year it gets busier and busier, and I need something that's just gonna be dependable and perform well. So, yeah, right. As you can tell, already pulled my old one out, so I'm sure he has one. I talked to him already. I'm going to Truckmount Floor Care, and Tony's gonna set me up. And right now I'm on my way, about another 3 hours to go, and I imagine this is what Kansas would look like, flatlands. But I'm about an hour away from Bakersfield, actually. So we'll see when we get there. What's up, YouTube? Tommy here from Green Rhino. I've been documenting my journey on this channel from a part-time hustle as a machinist to operating a very successful cleaning company. My goal is to show you what I was looking for when I was starting out, sharing the cleaning solutions I use, the equipment, so I can help others thinking about getting into the cleaning industry. And maybe, just maybe, I'm gonna make that first step. It can change your life like it did me. Don't worry, industry, I'm not trying to be the know-it-all carpet cleaning, but I am trying to be an example of what could be. Welcome to LA. I wonder if they know they got green rhinos. This is the new one here. Titan 425. It's a Heiser Master also, but this is a better design. The heat exchangers on the side, you don't have to pull it out to clean it out anymore. Man, it looks really good. I think I gotta get another van now. But that's this year. I'm gonna be adding another van too, so I'm getting a nice van. I'm probably gonna have to take this out of there and put it in my my newer van, bigger van. Law of attraction. I'm willing it to me. I'm here at Truckmount Floor Care in Chula Vista. We're busy. I get this tank is a little bigger than the one that I had before, so it's gonna be a tight fit. Yeah, I'm gonna help him out.
This is the middle portable.
This is the middle one?
No, this is actually so that's literally 7.5 gallons, maybe.
This is the middle portable on the kits.
I would call it 7, because that ain't full. That full to the top should be fine.
All right, so they're getting everything put it in. I'm getting it, getting a live reel for my solution and my hose, my water hose. Make things a lot easier, and I won't have to disconnect things so much. And so he's getting that together. That's a little kit that needs to come together. So it's coming along.
See what you think of placement?
If you guys are gonna start out with the portable, so we got boosters there. So these are already really have really great suction. But if you want to even have better, you get one of those boosters on there, about 500 bucks, well worth it. I'm in his way, he's working.
You're on.
guys, if you're thinking on getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course below all my videos in a link. How to start a carpet cleaning business, not only the technical side, but how to get people to call you, the business side. All right, and if you like any of the tools I use, also below all the videos that I post. Back to the video.
It's done as soon as you start using it.
So you can see the vacuum on this thing. This is the starter package. Actually, this is right here, the truck mount, electric truck mount. You can keep this in your truck or your van, and still have enough vacuum for 150 feet of hose. Plus you have that, and you get a brand new one, of course, but it's the same thing, and you see that heat just right away. That's better you can get in most any truck mount, unless it is a propane unit. So as you can tell, the vacuum is killer. See how it was picking up the rug there? Awesome. This actually has 10-gallon recovery tank, so if you get this unit without the pump in pump out, and you can leave it at the front door, okay? And it does have a 10-gallon recovery tank on this thing too. Like this one up here only has 7 gallons, meaning you're gonna have to drain more often, right? So if you're doing a small job, you probably don't even have to drain a couple rooms or whatever. You don't even have to drain. So yeah, this is it's a great machine. And I'm glad I came down here to check it out. So also, if you get a if you want to get the electric truck, what I call it, one that you can keep in your van, and you want to add even more vacuum to it, that'll easily do 200 plus. That thing right there, it's a vacuum boost. So 500 something bucks. You get that, it's gonna be well worth it. You're gonna have all the suction you need. You can have all the heat you need. If you get the one you can leave in the van, you don't have to worry about filling up or draining. And that's on in the video that I have of the smart packages. So and the VLM package. This is the machine right here, 17-inch. I believe that's it. And it's 1.5 horsepower, and that's a great starter kit right there for your VLM. Actually, I mean, not starter kit, that's all you need. You'll see the package. I'll put the link to the smart packages below this video, so check out that video, and I go through these things in your VLM kit. Smart packages, because you're using most of your money on the main component of your machinery, the main component, and not spreading it out so much over, like getting a really expensive wand that costs $3 grand and having to skimp on the performance of your unit. It's better to have a decent wand, a great unit, right, instead of a mediocre and then a great wand. Okay, you can have a mediocre unit with okay vacuum, and you have a wand. I don't want to put out any names of these wands, but they'll leave the carpets so wet, and if you don't have the vacuum to pull it up, then it's longer dry times. So definitely, if you can get into those rotary type of extractors, wands, then you want to have the power. With this, you'd be okay with one of those, but add it to it. If you want to start your business on a budget and get everything you need to look professional and have great results, low dry times, high heat, obviously, this is the ultimate package right here. He stands behind it upon the competition. Tony does, and coming over here and feeling that suction, man, I'm telling you, I mean, that rivals a small portable or small truck mount any day. So all right, so he's getting my invoice all together. I'm gonna go ahead and pay for this and head out of here, but I'm glad I stopped by here. This is in Chula Vista. He's got a website. It's OptimumFloorCare.com. and you can get on there and he ships and stuff like that. But if you want to do like a custom order, say you want to get the kit but maybe minus something, give him a call. Actually, give him a call on any of the kits, really. That way he can customize it and deal with shipping and all that stuff. Yeah, so awesome machine. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, guys. I got about 6 hours to drive back all in one day. You know, things we do. Being a business owner is great, but it doesn't mean, you know, nothing comes easy. So yeah, I gotta drive all day, but there's people that do this for a living, drive 8 hours a day. See you in the next one.